Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sun TV, you feel me, y'all? We back at it again in promethazine, you feel me, the purple Hellcat, you feel me? But y'all, in today's video, y'all, you feel me, we gonna be doing a little POV in the Hellcat, you feel me? Let me go around these niggas. But you feel me, we finna do a little POV in the Hellcat. Don't mind my work uniform. I know I look kind of, you feel me, I got some big ass, dirty ass pants on, you feel me? I just got on work, you feel me, but you feel me? We got to get our boy that content, so you feel me? That's what bring us here. So in today's video, y'all, I'm just gonna be, you feel me, for real, gonna be talking about my YouTube journey because it's officially been a year since I did YouTube, you know. So I'm just gonna be talking to y'all about, you feel me, my YouTube journey, what made me start YouTube, you know, how much money I done made on YouTube, you know, all that good stuff. So we just gonna be driving and talking, you feel me? Hopefully y'all boy learn something off this video, you know, cause I'm just gonna keep it real. I'm gonna tell y'all boy everything that I know. So how we gonna start that bit off? I can't ask y'all how y'all want me to start it off because y'all ain't gonna be able to answer the question until I post the video, you feel me? But I know I keep saying you feel me, but my vocabulary is not the best. But anywho, I guess we're gonna start a bit off talking about when I started YouTube. So basically, I started my official YouTube, well, I made my first video today about, you feel me, the Hellcat. So prior to me buying a Hellcat, I had a Scat Pack. Nigga, do not pull out in front of me. But prior to me buying a Hellcat, I had a Scat Pack, you feel me? It was the same color as this that I had for 2 years. You feel me? And I never made any YouTube videos with it, you feel me? I only made like little TikTok videos, little Instagram videos, nothing too serious. I was just posting like little stuff every now and then. But I never posted a YouTube video because I never thought I could do YouTube type shit. Oh, okay. I had to do a little pull for y'all, you feel me? But I never made any YouTube video with the Scat Pack because I didn't believe in myself to do YouTube. I was camera shy, you know, goddamn. I just didn't believe I can do YouTube. So I never made any YouTube content with the Scat. So when I bought the Hellcat, I was in a dealership and I was like, man, if I buy this Hellcat, you feel me, I gotta do something different. So I was like, my partner told me, bro, go on ahead and make you a YouTube channel. So I was just sitting there at the table, you feel me, when I was buying a car, like, shit, I might as well go ahead and start me a YouTube channel. So my first video that I made, which is on my, it should be the first video on my channel, which was me taking delivery of the Hellcat. That was the first YouTube video I ever made. So you feel me? That's when I basically started my YouTube. I started posting on YouTube. I've been had my channel, but that was my first like official video. So I made that video. I was not the best because I really didn't know how to edit for real. You know, I really ain't know how to do nothing. So that's where I started my channel from. From that point on, you feel me, I just started posting like my mods. I started doing POV videos, you feel me, and that's what brought me here today. Now, if y'all are interested in starting a YouTube channel, I highly recommend y'all do it. Like, if y'all nervous or anything like that, I say do it because, like I said, I could have been started this. Like, I probably been way bigger than I was if I would have started when I had my Scat Pack. But like I said, I ain't believe in myself. I was camera shy and I was nervous and I ain't believe in myself. But shit, we finna hit 10,000 subscribers real soon, and it only been a year. So, and I'm also getting paid on YouTube. So like I said, if y'all want to do YouTube, bro, go ahead and do it, bro. Listen to me. Now, some things I will tell y'all about YouTube is picking the right niche for y'all, because that's very important. Like, I know people who do content like for instance, like it be some people who starting off on YouTube who may try to do 20v1 videos, and them type of videos ain't gonna be consistent enough, because like you just starting off on YouTube and people may not take you serious, and you might only be able to post a video, like 2 videos a month, and you're not really gonna be consistent. YouTube, being consistent on YouTube is basically what's gonna get you to where you want to go. That's like the most important thing I see, because if you can't be consistent, it's gonna be hard for you to get them watch hours and stuff so you can get monetized, and you're not really gonna grow. As opposed to the niche that I pick car content, so I can easily just hop in my car and make a driving video and post that bit in a couple of hours. You feel me? It's way easier for me to make my content, opposed to somebody needing 20 people for a video. Then you gotta worry about people not showing up and it taking forever to get your video out. It's not gonna be as easy, you feel me, what I do. So that's one thing to be mindful of whenever y'all picking what y'all wanna make y'all channel about, you feel me? Make sure y'all can do something that y'all can be consistent in, you feel me? Or y'all gonna end up giving up, like y'all gonna feel like YouTube ain't working for y'all, you feel me? That what happened to a lot of people. But I know for me, at least, the car content is super easy, because I can just, like I said, hop in my car, drive, talk. I don't even have to talk in some videos. I can just make an ASMR POV where I'm just driving. I don't even have to say a word, and you feel me, upload a video. But yeah, so we gonna move on to us getting paid off YouTube. So it took me 6 months of making content before I got monetized. So when I was supposed to got monetized, I think at like 5 months, but I didn't get accepted into the YouTube partner program because they was like, I was using reused content. And if y'all don't know what that means, that could mean a number of things. That could mean, like, say if you and your friend, like say if you was recording a video and you and your friend asked you for, hey, you can send me that clip, and you sent them the clip and they posted it on Instagram, and you also used that clip in one of your YouTube videos, YouTube can say, oh, you using somebody else's content on that video, and they want to accept you into the YouTube partner program. So one thing to keep in mind, if it's your content, you need to post your content, or that can happen to you. Because I think that's what happened to me, because I know my partner had posted a clip that I had recorded, and basically they said I was using reused content. Damn, I dropped my phone. So make sure all your YouTube content is organic. But after I went through my videos and deleted the videos that I felt like could be reused content, I reapplied for the YouTube partner program, and your boy got accepted. So goddamn, ever since then, your boy been making money off YouTube. And the money is really gonna be different for pretty much everybody, because the way you get paid off YouTube, you get paid from your revenue per, I think it's called revenue per mile, which on one video you could get paid $6 per 1,000 views. You may get $4 per 1,000 views. You can get $10 per 1,000 views. It just depends. It depends on a number of things, like where your viewers are located at, you feel me, what type of content you post. Like people who make content dealing with finances, I think they make the most off of YouTube. You feel me? So it just depends on a lot of different stuff. But overall, you feel me, long as it's something that you like and you could be consistent in, it gonna pay off. Like the money ain't gonna even matter. You feel me? Because you gonna make it at the end of the day if you could be consistent. So from these 6 months of me being monetized, I'm gonna show y'all boys how much money I done actually made on YouTube. So for instance, I'm gonna go to my the payment that's actually I get paid for sometime this month, which is $11,099. You feel me? So this how much my next YouTube check is gonna be, and that's because I had one video to go viral, and I made like I made $1,000 off that video. So you feel me? This is the biggest YouTube check that I've ever gotten, and it looked crazy. Like I never thought that like I'll get paid $1,000 off YouTube, as well as making $1,000 off a video. You feel me? But like I said, I ain't believe in myself, but look how far I done came. And it's not like I'm rich or nothing off YouTube. I just like the fact that, you feel me, I could post a video and get paid. So I'm gonna go to my analytics real quick, and I'm gonna go to revenue. I'm trying to keep my eyes on the road. Can't drive off no motherfucking cliff out there, bitch. So as y'all can see right here, this is gonna break down how much money I made each month off YouTube. So this was January, was my first month of officially making something off YouTube. So as you can see, I made $85 in January. I made $145 in February. I made $155 in March, $172 in April, $1,199 in May, and so far in June I made $116. So as y'all can see, it looks like it's going up every month. I know my June ain't gonna be as big as May unless, you feel me, I get another viral video, you feel me, which, hey, y'all want to turn this video up, go ahead, you feel me, I ain't gonna complain. But this is how much I done made. A rough estimate, let me see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I want to say close to like $1,900. Close to $2,000 is how much I done made off YouTube so far, which I cannot complain. I'm really happy that I'm at the point where, you feel me, a nigga can make almost $2K off YouTube in 6 months, you feel me? But that don't mean that's where we stopping, you feel me? It's a lot of growth it's a lot of opportunity for growth, which we gonna keep doing this shit, you feel me? We gonna keep doing this shit, you feel me? Like I said. Damn, I thought they were gonna come head over my ass. But yeah, like I said, bro, if y'all wanna do YouTube, bro, go ahead and do it. Like, you feel me? I actually enjoy doing YouTube, you feel me? Like, it's fun, you get to interact with people, you feel me? Work with different people. You get sponsors and stuff, like you get companies who send you stuff, like you make a video for them, people send you stuff in. It's like, ain't nothing not to like about doing it. And it's not even that hard with editing. Like I said, with consistency, you gonna learn a lot. Like, you gonna learn how to edit stuff, you gonna learn a lot of different stuff. So, you feel me? It's not nothing. It may be hard starting out, but as you get to do YouTube and grow, you will find out that it's really simple. You just got to be consistent at the end of the day. I ain't gonna lie, my ass got carried away. I'm trying to think about what I'm gonna talk about next. Oh yeah, I also want to talk to y'all boys about the YouTube comments, you feel me? Y'all really do want to interact with your viewers, like when they comment and stuff. I try my best to answer every comment. I have been getting a lot of comments lately. You want to interact with your viewers, you feel me, to make sure that you notice them, you feel me, that they ain't just come in and ain't nobody, you know, responding to them. You want to engage with your viewers, because that's how you feel me, you gain long-term viewers, because you interacting with them. If people watch your videos and they comment and you ain't interacting with them, they're more likely not to, you feel me, come back and watch more of your videos, you feel me, because you're not interacting with them, you feel me? So make sure y'all boys doing that as well. To those of you who are doing YouTube, and if y'all want to collab with me, you feel me, on some content, hit me up, you feel me? Y'all should know my Instagram and stuff. Y'all can comment on my YouTube video as well. If y'all want to collab, you feel me, just hit me up. I'm down to make YouTube content with other people, you feel me? I ain't one of them people who gonna charge you or, you know, do all the crazy stuff, you feel me? Y'all want to collab, I will collab with y'all, so hit me up. But that's really gonna wrap it up for this video. If I missed anything, feel free to ask me some questions in the comments. Like if y'all need help with anything or, you know, stuff like that, hit me up, you feel me? I'm willing to help, you know. But you feel me? Other than that, that's gonna wrap it up, y'all. So if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Hit that post notification bell so y'all are informed for whenever I drop more videos, you feel me? And until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace.